In this video, we will see how to show local weather in your PySignage display with the simple weather widget. All we have to do is copy a few lines of code from our GitHub page in a text file, enter location details and upload the file as an asset. Let us look at it step by step. First, go to the GitHub page of PySignage to get the weather widget code. You can just Google PySignage GitHub. Open the first link. There, go to the example section and if you scroll down, you will find the weather link. Open it. In the page, there are 4 links each suitable for different zones in different layouts. You can display weather in a main zone, side zone or bottom zone. Choose the one you need. We assume you know about layouts feature in PySignage with which you can create multi-zone displays. Links to the article on layouts feature in PySignage is given in the description below. Here we will choose the link to create an asset suitable to be displayed in layout 1. That is, we will choose the link weather.html. You can copy the complete code visible inside the box and paste it in a text file. Easier way to copy is click on the raw button on the top right of the page. Complete text of the code will be displayed in a browser window. Here select all. Open a text file and paste the entire code there. I am using the tool TextEdit in my Mac. I am copying the code here. With Windows, you can use a notepad file to paste code. Remember, when you are using TextEdit in Mac, it is in a format called rich text format. First, change the format to plain text. For this, go to Format tab at the top of the TextEdit tool and select Make Plain Text. Make this change immediately after copying the text before you make any edits. In case of Windows Notepad, you do not need any conversion as it is already in plain text format. Now, after we have pasted the code in a text file, we have to make necessary changes for required output. Once again, in case of TextEdit, remember to convert file into plain text format before you make the changes. Let us make the changes now. First, scroll down to the line in the code file where there is location entry, that is line 158. You can see the entry const city equals Honolulu. Here, choose the location for which you want to display the weather. That is, replace the place Honolulu with the place of your choice. Let us change it to New York. Next line is const units equals metric. Here you can choose in what unit you need your temperature displayed. You can choose from standard, metric and imperial units. For example, if you want to display temperature in Fahrenheit, use units equals imperial. For displaying temperature in Celsius, use units equals metric. Standard is the default unit if unit is not given explicitly. That is, in case of temperature, if you provide unit as standard or don't provide any input at all for units, the temperature will be displayed in Kelvin. Since it is New York, let us change the unit to imperial as we want the output in Fahrenheit. Next line is const lang equals en. Here en means output will be in English. In the description section of this video below, you can see the available languages for display and their respective code. For example, if you want output in German, use the language code DE. Here we will leave as it is. Next line is const forecast days equals 5. You can use the range 1 to 7. Depending on your input, you will get the weather forecast for entered number of days. Here we will leave it at 5. Once done, we have to save the file using a .html extension. As mentioned above, if you are using Windows, you can repeat the same process on a notepad file. Just save the file with .html extension. Now you can test this asset by opening it in a web browser. You will see how the asset will be displayed on screen. Now upload this HTML as an asset in your PySignage account. Remember to upload this as a file type asset. This asset can be part of any playlist designed for layout 1. If you want to display the weather in other zones, choose the appropriate code in example in the PySignage GitHub page and follow the same steps as above.